Hey everybody, it's Megan. I hope all of you guys are doing wonderful. Today is going to be a pretty exciting video as I am going to be doing an unboxing on a few items that I am ecstatic about getting. To any of you that might be new to my channel, welcome. I do invite you to join my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Clicking that notification bell will definitely get you notified whenever I upload new videos. Let's get right into this unboxing. The first item that I did receive comes in a box like this. And I'm going to let you guys try to guess what's inside. I can give you a little hint by letting you know that this is a new release item from Louis Vuitton. When I picked this up at Louis Vuitton, the sales associate did put it together, so that's another little hint. It does come in a dust bag like this, and there are multiple dust bags that come with it. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. No more anticipation. The item is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire with the khaki green strap. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this bag, but it's an extremely versatile piece. I did think to myself, do I really want this bag? It's very hard to obtain in California right now. That is why I tried the bag on in store, and when I did, it literally took me about 0.02 seconds to know that this was the right bag for me. A little quick mini review on these pochettes right here. I can let you guys know that the bigger size one is bigger than the regular pochette accessoire, and then the smaller one is much bigger than the mini pochette. This is going to be around for a while. There is definitely a lot of time to get this piece. So I am thrilled to have this bag in my collection, and I just think that coin purse is far too cute. The second item that I did receive is something that's quite unique. I do have to thank a special someone on Instagram who posted about this specific item. I thought to myself, wow, that is a gorgeous piece. I did use my imagination and figured that it would be a very useful piece as well. It is the Louis Vuitton Louis phone holder. The strap that you see right here is meant to be a necklace, and I'm really loving the monogram theme that goes along the band for this necklace. If you didn't want to wear your phone as a necklace, you definitely have the option of taking the strap off and just using this piece. Please keep in mind it does have the plastic right here that will be taken off. Okay, so it is now on the phone. I don't know if you concur, but I think it's very, very beautiful. I do own the Samsung Note 10 Plus, which is a very large phone. This is a very stretchy texture, and a wonderful factor is the fact that it does not get damaged when you stretch it. I do believe this might be the biggest phone on the market. So I'm ecstatic to own this. I'm definitely going to be using it as a necklace. I do use my phone a lot. I'm constantly reaching for it in my bag. So I just thought it would be wonderful to have it right here and be able to text, get back to people very easily. I did also think to myself that I could take the phone off and perhaps put a charm at the bottom of this necklace. So I would definitely consider this to be a very pretty, useful, and even versatile piece. If you guys happen to have any questions at all in regard to the purchases that I did make, the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire, which I am definitely in love with, as well as the Louis Vuitton Louis phone holder, please do leave them in the comment section below. Always adore hearing from you. All right, you guys, now is the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics from talking about Louis Vuitton to something that's motivational and inspirational. Today, I really wanted to go over the topic of protecting your peace and why that's so very important. To me, the definition of happiness is peace. When we have peace in the mind, we are content, we are happy. A great way to protect your peace and happiness within your mind is to wake up every single morning and say to yourself that whatever comes your way, whatever adversity, whatever type of negative situation, you're not going to allow it to take your peace. The Bible does say through Proverbs that avoiding a fight is a mark of honor. Sometimes when we're tempted to get in an argument with somebody, whether it be a stranger or somebody that we know, it's important to remember, would you rather be right or would you rather have peace? Which is more important? Because usually when we do take the route of being right, it doesn't end like we want it to. It is so important to go throughout the day with the knowledge of knowing that God is with you at all times, as well as your past loved ones and your angels. A wonderful thing is that we can tap into God's peace at all times. His peace is the type of peace that surpasses all understanding. Positivity is such a wonderful thing. Negativity is definitely going to outweigh the positive, but positivity is light, and light will always overshadow the darkness. You do deserve to live every single day of your life with the right mindset. And with the right mindset comes the knowledge of knowing that we must hold on to the positive and understand that our peace is ours. Let's live our lives to the very fullest, going into the day every single morning, knowing that God is with us and that whatever comes our way, we can handle it. We will keep our peace, and at the end of the day, we will be feeling content, we will be happy, and hopefully a lot of the stress or anxiety that you might be feeling will diminish. That is what I have to say on the topic of protecting your peace. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions in regard to the topic I did just speak of, and or any questions or comments on the items that I did unbox, the Louis Vuitton beautiful multi-pochette Accessoire, which I will definitely be doing an in-depth review on, or the Louis Vuitton Louise phone holder, please do leave them in the comment section below. As I said, I always love reading your comments. That is going to be it. Thank you guys so very much for taking the time to watch this video. Until my next, which I'm definitely looking forward to, you guys take care, and I will be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.